Hello friends, welcome to Awakening Education. In this video, we are making a conversation practice happen in mobile repairing shop. Welcome to the series of Talk with You, episode 2. Customer, good morning. My phone is not charging. Technician, let me check it. How long has this problem existed? Customer, since last week, last evening. The technician, did the phone fall down recently? Yes, it slipped from my hand last week. The charging portal seems damaged. Can it be repaired today? Yes, but it may take 2 hours. How much will it cost? Around 800 rupees. That's fine. Please repair it. Certainly. Thank you. In this conversation, if you want I hope you like this conversation. If you want more video, please subscribing The Awakening Education. Thank you. I am your co-learner Dinesh. In this journey, we can make the beautiful things achieving great. Thank you.